Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage height audio for the soundbar SONOS Arc Ultra. You have to start by open the application. Now click the settings icon at the right top. Then choose your soundbar and then scroll down and click on high audio. And now we can change a level, height level. So move to the right to increase it and move to the left to lower it. And if you don't like it, you can just click reset and it will change settings to the factory. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!